Today we have 7 vintage features in your home that may be hurting your home's resale value. And there's only one that I disagree with, but I'll talk about that at the end. So first up, we have outdated layouts. So we're seeing for a long time now that people want open floor plans. So that closed floor plan might not be it. Next, bathrooms. It is very rare that a buyer will be looking for a home with only one bathroom. So if you have the space, that's an upgrade you might seriously want to consider. Also, obsolete or outdated systems for your electrical or your plumbing. I have seen many home inspection where the electrical work may be working fine, but it's outdated and the buyers always want that to be replaced. If not then on the spot, at some point it's something that they end up investing in themselves. Next, radiators. So who hasn't burnt themselves on a radiator? Everybody's looking to move towards HVAC, so central air and heat as well in one place. Carpeting. I have this conversation all the time. People don't like carpeting anymore. Really just not a thing. Old windows, obviously you want to take care of that. And dark lighting. People like to see nice, bright areas, especially with work from home. So the one that I disagree with is the outdated layouts. I think that with more people working from home, they want more privacy, less open floor plan.